Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to get frozen marker easy guide. Test the marker on scrap paper to confirm freezing rather than a clog. Gently warm the barrel with your hands or a hairdryer on low, keeping distance. If warming fails, try soaking the tip in warm water for a few minutes. Repeated gentle scribbling usually restores flow, and I'll guide you through safe precautions and tools. Start with simple fixes like warming and scribbling to revive a frozen marker. Use a hairdryer on low setting and keep it 3–5 inches away while rotating the marker. For water-based markers, soak the tip briefly in warm water, then blot and test. For alcohol-based markers, use isopropyl alcohol on a cotton swab carefully. Always cap markers after use and store them tip down when recommended to prevent future freezing. Identify whether the marker is dried out or truly frozen before you attempt fixes. Remove and inspect the tip for dried ink, tears, or debris that may block flow. Use gentle pressure when scribbling to avoid damaging fibers, and replace tips only if necessary. Keep backup markers in a sealed pouch when heading to cold environments, and warm storage like an insulated case can save your markers. We'll cover replacement options too.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.